Welcome to Eric Blackman Music.
I am a lineman for the county, and I drive the main road, searching in the sun for another overload. I hear you singing in the wire, I can hear you through the wire, and the Wichita lineman is still on the line. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackman Guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how I play my favorite Glen Campbell song, the Wichita Lineman. The guitar is tuned standard, E-A-D-G-B-E, and the key of the song modulates from F to B flat to D major. So we're going to be playing some interesting chords in this one. We'll start with the intro, and the intro sounds something like this. We'll start the intro with a short riff, and for that we start it on fret 3 of the G string, fret 2, then fret 3 of the D string, D open, and then a C note at fret 3 on the A string. So that's, and then we'll go to an F major 7 chord, and then to a C ninth suspended 4 by just holding down all the strings from the A string down at fret 3, like this. All right? We'll do that twice. Next is the verses. And for the verses, we'll start with a B flat major 7, and then to an A minor 7, back to the C ninth suspended 4. So that's B flat major 7. I'm a lineman for the county. A minor 7. And I drive the main road. C ninth suspended 4. Then we'll go to a D minor 7 and we'll do a breakdown like this. And for that, we played a D minor 7, C major, and a G. Now if you have trouble with the D minor 7, barring it like that, play a D form at fret 5 and you can get a D minor 7 like that. So you can play. That'll make it easier for you. That's D minor 7, C, G. Then we'll go to a D chord, and that's for overload. Overload. Then we'll go to a C add 9. Hear you singing in the wire. Then we'll do a G/B. We've got our fingers here on the B and high E string at fret 3 and a finger on the A string at fret 2. And we'll take that finger down for B flat to get a G/B flat. So that's C add 9, G/B, G/B flat. Then we'll go back to our D chord, the Wichita Lineman. And then we'll play an A7 suspended 4 by placing a finger on the D string at fret 2 and the B string at fret 3, strumming from the A string. It's still on the line. We'll go back to B flat major 7 and to C add 9. But when we play that, we'll play the B flat major 7, and we'll be vamping on that D note at fret 3 on the B string. Then the C add 9, same thing. B flat major 7, then C ninth suspended 4. And then we'll move into the next verse. Well, alright, here's one other thing that I'd like to show you. There's a repeated riff that goes on, played on the B string and high E string, that sounds something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. In order to play that riff, we're going to go to fret 3 on the B string and vamp on it like this. We'll follow that with the open high E string, fret 1, open again, the first fret on the B string, and then back to our vamp. Like that. Here it is again, slowly. Basically, those are all the chords for the entire song because they're just repeated. But we've got a little guitar solo that sounds something like this. Now, on the recording, they're playing a low C. I'm not sure which instrument they're playing, but we don't have a low C. The lowest note we have is a low E. So we're going to substitute that low C for this C. And for the first one, we'll do an open E. And we'll play it this way. So we started on the low E string, open 1, 3, the A string, fret 1, open, the low E string, fret 3, open A, fret 3 on the A string. So that's next, fret 1 on the low E string, 3, 1 on the A string, open, fret 1 on the low E, fret 3 on the A string. So that's to fret 1 on the low E twice, fret 3 on the A string, so that's fret 1 on the low E, then fret 3 on the A string like this. Open D, fret 2 on the A string, open, fret 3 on the low E, then end on the open A. So here's the entire thing again. To end our song, we're going to repeat 2 chords, the B flat major 7 and the C add 9. And we can basically play down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. Well, my friends, that's how I play the Wichita Lineman on acoustic or electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day. I hear you singing in the wire. I can hear you through the wire. Wichita Lineman, still on the line.